When you first get your Spectra pump, you will start by opening up your box, and on top you will find your instruction manual as well as your warranty card in case you need to submit a warranty claim. Next, you will find your 2 double collection kits with everything you need to double pump. You will then find, sealed in a wrapper, your Spectra breast pump. This will be the Spectra S2. In the bottom, you will find a power cord as well as a prong adapter. You will start by taking the prong portion adapter and snapping into the power cord until you hear a loud click. You will then want to attach the power cord by pressing firmly until you hear a click. Then you'll plug the pump into a working outlet and press the on button. If your pump has a rechargeable battery, please make sure to charge for 4 hours before use. You will not want to charge your pump for more than 4 hours, as it will wear down the battery. The battery will last for 3 hours of pumping time on the S1 pump. Our S1 pump will have the same setup and function as the S2 pump. The only difference is it will also have a built-in rechargeable battery and be blue in color, versus our S2 pump, which is wall plug-in only and has a pink color.